You've probably heard all the hype about decentralized finance, how it's the next big thing, how it's revolutionizing the financial world. Well, to be honest with you, that's not wrong. DeFi has the potential to help you multiply your wealth, generate consistent passive income, and even outpace inflation. We've seen it happen time and time again. We've seen investors grow their portfolios beyond what they ever imagined, unlocking financial freedom and securing their futures. But here's something most people will never tell you. DeFi isn't a free-for-all. Without understanding these 5 critical principles that I'm about to share with you in this quick video, there's a possibility you could lose everything. Yep, your entire portfolio could be wiped out overnight if you're unlucky. But if you stick with me through this quick video, I'm going to reveal these principles that can not only protect your investments, but could also help you unlock untapped DeFi wealth in ways most people don't even know exist. These aren't just theories, they're real strategies that have helped thousands of investors just like you avoid disaster and achieve massive success. And by the time we're done, you'll know exactly how to use them to take your investment game to the next level. Hey friends, it's the DeFi Doctor here, Head of Education for Decentralized Masters, the #1 DeFi educational platform in the world, trusted by over 3,000 investors with a combined net worth of over $4 billion. Our team of over 100 top financial analysts live and breathe DeFi, constantly researching the markets, tracking the trends, and fine-tuning our strategies to stay ahead of the curve. What you're about to hear today comes straight from years of real-world data, insider knowledge, and the kind of financial expertise that has helped our investors not only thrive in DeFi, but protect their wealth from the chaos and uncertainty of traditional finance. And now, we want to give the same strategies to you. Here's what we'll be covering: how a select few investors unlock passive income streams yielding up to 15%, all by dedicating just a few hours each week to this simple habit, and why the DeFi world rewards the most educated, not the luckiest. Think your DeFi wallet is safe? Think again. Here's the shocking truth about the $3 billion stolen from DeFi in 2023, and how you can safeguard your assets with a tool that takes less than 5 minutes to set up. Why this DeFi diversification strategy could be the difference between thriving and financial disaster, and the 3 unconventional places smart investors are quietly parking their capital for safer, higher returns, and so much more. Now, let's dive into the first principle. Principle number 1, education is your best investment. Most people believe they can just dive into DeFi and start making money instantly. They see the big rumors, the success stories, and think, well, it's easy money. But here's the harsh reality. DeFi is not just another investment trend. It's a fast-paced, constantly evolving financial landscape. It's unlike anything we've ever seen before. This isn't a mere cryptocurrency. This is an entire financial system. If you don't take the time to truly understand the complexities behind it, you're not investing, you're gambling. Imagine trying to navigate this space without knowing how key platforms like Uniswap or Aave actually work. Or even worse, jumping into yield farming because you saw a promise of high returns, but not fully grasping the hidden risks, like impermanent loss that could eat away at your profits. It's like walking blindfold through a minefield, hoping you won't hit a tripwire. Let me break it down to you. If you're not constantly learning, you're already falling behind. The market moves fast, and if you don't know what's coming next, you're at risk of losing everything you've worked for. Now, here's the good news. Staying informed doesn't have to be overwhelming. In fact, by committing just 1 hour each week to read white papers, tracking industry news, and joining active, free DeFi communities, you can quickly get up to date with everything.